Unpeeling the Meanings. Fruit Pulp, Explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're going to squeeze out all the details about a juicy topic that often comes up in conversations about food, cooking, and nutrition. The term, fruit pulp. Get ready to understand not just what it means but also how to use it in everyday language. Let's dive right into what fruit pulp actually is. When you bite into a piece of fruit, the part that is soft, juicy, and often fibrous is what we refer to as the pulp. It's the part between the fruit's skin and the seeds or core. The pulp is where most of the fruit's juice is contained, and it's full of nutrients and fiber. This is the part of the fruit that's often used in juices, jams, and desserts. Why is the pulp so important? Well, the pulp plays a significant role in giving fruits their unique taste and texture. Fruit pulp can be smooth, like in mangoes, or it can have a grainy texture, like in pears. The amount and type of pulp can greatly affect the flavor and consistency of fruit-based products. Now, let's put our new term into practice. You can say, I prefer orange juice with fruit pulp because it feels more natural and hearty. Or if you're making a recipe, this cake requires apple fruit pulp to keep it moist and flavorful. Notice how fruit pulp gives us a vivid image of what part of the fruit we're talking about. Interestingly, the use of fruit pulp varies around the world. Some cultures might prefer their juices with lots of pulp, while others might enjoy it completely strained. This diversity is what makes learning about food-related terms so fascinating. That wraps up our segment on fruit pulp. I hope you found this exploration both informative and appetizing. Remember, learning English is like adding more flavors to your linguistic palette. The more words you know, the richer your conversations will be. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in our next video.